What's up YouTube guys? Sorry for my absence. I've been dealing with personal things, health wise, planning things, doing things, trying to get things done for the channel that ultimately it's all fallen through. Lens dirty. But sorry about that. But overall, I've had to step back and just kind of look at things differently now, and so I'm gonna basically just trash some of the projects I'm doing and go for things that are a little bit better. Today I'm just looking around and I'm just going to show you some pretty cool stuff of where I live, and this is Lamoille Canyon. Over in the distance, I guess you could see there's some guys I don't know, you can't zoom in. There's some rock climbers over there. They're all in orange. This is Glacier Canyon, or most people call it the Lion's Canyon. What is the glacier? Haha. Lamoille Camp. Car going by. As you can see, this is just one of the points. Yeah, I'm sorry for not having much videos or reviews on anything. It's just I don't know, just a lot of things been happening. Pretty sure you can understand that. But I will hopefully get some get a couple gear review that I'm currently in the process of getting ordered, finally getting done. Some people have allowed me to use their stuff, as I like to get permission to, and so yeah, that's just the update. I don't know really what much more to say, but keep in touch, and thanks for supporting the channel. I've been talking with Stag. We're going to probably set up a Patreon for all the videos that have guns on them, because YouTube want to get rid of guns. And these tragic shootings at school, they really make me sick, but it keeps I don't know, I keep seeing a lot of people dropping the ball on everything. But I hope you all stay safe, and hope you're all blessed, and if you can, support the channel. If we do get a Patreon up or anything, hopefully you guys, we can support you guys with cool stuff. I can do giveaways, and I guess that's that. And the closing, I'll give you one last shot of this beautiful canyon. Thank you.